Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphones like pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend you have tried lots of video to unlock your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock till now. So don't worry at all. What I'm going to give you tricks in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone. But the main thing is that you will have to take some precautions to unlock your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's battery should be charged at least 30% or else your all the data may be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can use your phone's charger at the time of using this unlocking method. One more thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. I will provide you the next upcoming video, or you may also take help of my previous video to unlock your smartphone. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. So let's start how you can unlock this smartphone. So as you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Okay, now you can see here my phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network is on. So firstly, you will have to switch on your phone's airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply when you will activate this airplane mode, your phone's all the network will be switched off. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and it's most important. The main thing is that your phone's all the background running application should be closed. Okay, and generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret special codes which used by the every service center like Oppo, Vivo, Samsung, Redmi, Xiaomi. Every brand service center use this code to close the background running application when your phone is locked. Okay, now simply you will have to slide up your phone like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to pattern lock. Now you can see here there is an option of an emergency SOS option. You will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a dialing pad like this. Now here you will have to feed this secret code, and today's recent secret code to close the background running application is *888 then *9643 then *000 then #. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code at the first time. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. Okay, so simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to do the process 3 times continuously. After calling this secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now simply you will have to clear your call log like this. Sorry. After clearing this call log, now you will have to give a special USSD code to switch your phone to the master unlocking mode page, or it's also known as engineer's mode page. And this USSD code is *899 then #. Now you can see here, after feeding this number *899 and #, a new page has been appeared, and this page name is after sales page. You can see here. Now you will get lots of option on this page. Now you can see here there is an option of a software version. So simply you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a new page like this. The first option is showing here your phone's model number RMX3471. You don't have to go with your phone's model software model version. Okay, now you can see here the second option is showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12, and if your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this option 12 times continuously. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13, so I will have to click on this Android version 13 times rapidly. Mark my word, you will have to click on this option rapidly. Okay, so I'm going to do here, you can see with me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now the first process has been done. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will get another option above the software version. You can see here the option is manual test option. Simply you will have to go with this option, and when you will go with this option, you can see here the new page has been appeared, and this is the main important page to unlock your smartphone, and the page's name is engineer's mode page. You can see here. Now there are 3 types of options showing on your phone display, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Okay, now simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other, which will comes at the end of the slide. Now you can see here other option has been appeared. Now you can see here there are 5 type of option on this page. Now you can see here there is an option of a mainboard version, or it's also known as database version. Both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 9 times rapidly like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the second step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test option. Okay, now simply you will have to click on this option, and at the first time when you will click on this option, you will get a option to confirm this pop-up, but you don't have to confirm this pop-up. Simply you will have to cancel this pop-up at the first time. Again at the second time you will have to cancel here, and the third time you will have to cancel here. But at the fourth time when you will click on this pop-up, you will have to go with the OK button. Okay, now after go with the OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. So the very last step I am going to give you, but mark my words, if you have skipped any step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you have wasted your time and you will have to watch this video again. So watch this video properly to unlock your smartphone within one time. Okay, so simply the last step is simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also lots of options on this page, but you don't have to go with any other option because all the options have their specific function. Because in this video I am going to give you the special tricks to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so you will have to go with the option of the sensor self-test calibration option. Okay, now when you will go with this sensor self-test calibration option, you will get a 3 type of option on your phone display. It may be possible your phone will be 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all. All the option will be showing your operation not started, you can see here. So simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these option, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, now I'm going to click on this option. You can also watch with me. Operation has been started. You can see here test failed, test has been started, test failed. The third option test has been started, but you can see here the third option is showing here test passed message in green color. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Simply I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? Simply you can see here at the bottom of the phone there is an option of a home button. Simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked. Now I'm going to click here. Now you can see my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. It means this trick really works. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like with this video. And if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment which type of issues you are facing to unlock your smartphone. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.